Shenzhen Lvchuang Environmental Protection Filter Material Company, Limited, established in 2008, is located in Longgang District, Shenzhen, a leading technology city in China's intelligent manufacturing sector. With 2 factories and 1 branch office, covering a total area of over 5,000 square meters. The company boasts a monthly output of up to 150,000 units and 60 supporting equipment. For 17 years, our company has focused on the filtration and purification industry, specializing in the R&D and sales of new air filtration and purification products for dust, oil, smoke, mist, water, and bacteria. Currently, we offer over 80 brands and more than 700 specifications of water and air purification and filter materials, focusing on customized development and production for our clients. Providing a one-stop service from design to manufacturing, our company possesses advanced production equipment and testing instruments, strictly adhering to the ISO 9001 quality management system to ensure quality. Our products have passed RoHS, REACH, and SGS certifications and meet all in USCA 117 flame retardant standards. We support OEM or ODM, and our products are exported to many countries and regions in Europe, America, Japan, and South Korea, receiving high praise from our customers.